Hello, this is another video from Invest Library, and today ipapakita namin kung paano mag-register sa Meralco online. Stay tuned! First, go to online.meralco.com.ph. I provided this link below, so you can just copy this link from the description. Then, on the right side, it's either you will log in or register. Since I do not have an account with Meralco Online, I need to register first. I'll click this register. If you're an old Meralco customer, choose I already have a Meralco bill. Otherwise, choose the other option. So I'll pick this I already have a Meralco bill. And then I'll enter my email address. And then for name, it says here if you're the registered customer, enter the name on the contract. If you're the actual user, enter your full name. So I'll just enter my full name since iba yung nakalagay na pangalan sa Meralco bill ko. Then my cell phone or mobile number. Please take note of the format. It should start with the plus sign followed by 63, then your cell phone number without the 0 at the beginning. For service ID number, just click this I button to know where you can find it. Madali lang siyang makita sa Meralco bill. For total kilowatt hour, nasa Meralco bill din siya. Take note that it says here na you need to use your bills from the last 2 months. So I need to use my most recent bill. And enter the bill date. Just click this I button again para malaman kung saan to makikita. And check these terms and conditions and then hit register. And make sure all the details are correct. So let's review. And finally, I need to check my inbox or email to proceed. So let's check my email. And then here, just click this one. And lastly, this is the final step, I think. Let's enter the password and ensure na dapat hindi to makakalimutan. So there you have it. May account na ako sa Meralco Online. Moving forward, I can just log in and pay my bill. So check nyo yung video namin for that. And also, if you find this video helpful and want to know more about personal finance tips and review on some small investment ideas, just click the subscribe button and see you on our next video. Bye-bye.